Meanwhile, Roy also teased results of Octa's latest 2028 presidential survey, set for release soon. According to Roy, the poll shows a narrowing gap between Duterte and former Vice President, now Naga City Mayor Leni Robredo.
Mayor Lenny's gap with the vice president has narrowed.
9 to 12 percentage points difference na lang.
Yeah. So this is what's happening, and these are significant changes because her numbers hardly changed for a whole year. She's been, been stagnant.
Yes, sir.
Not
Yes, sir.
moving. She didn't do anything last quarter. Except for that, very, that visit, that the president made, putting
Medyo nag-high profile yung mga bisita sa kanya.
siguro kay President, President Marcos visiting her in, in Bicol.
Naga, yeah.
Was the only big event actually